Thanon Tanao. The Thun Road is directly behind us. So it's like kind of over that way. There's a Bangkok City Library, and there's riverboat that's down that way. You can take the riverboat to different places in Bangkok as well. But for me, I want to explore some streets I've never been on, so we're gonna walk down this street and we're just gonna see what's here. I don't know what to expect. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. What's here? I don't know what to expect myself. So far, I see lots of traffic, and I see some yellow buildings over there, and I see I have to step off of the sidewalk, and I see a lot of pigeons. Okay, so we're just gonna walk down. I like these things. I wonder if they're I don't really seem to use them much anymore. It used to be I don't know, it's like New Year's. It's December 30th right now, so I don't know if people are not using these because it's the holidays or if they're just not much business anymore. It's hard to say which one. There's a woman up in the corner of the window there. I don't know if I can see it in this small little camera. Espresso bar. People in there drinking espresso coffee. Foreigners, which makes sense. Thai massage place. Closed. Okay, so maybe a lot of things are closed for the holidays. Yeah, just keep walking anyways. There's some more hostels. We'll take you on this road anyways. So you can actually see, like, if you look up the initial street, you can see exactly what road this is if you want to look it up yourself. In a minute, we're going to be coming up on Soke. Oops, I think he's going to come across. There we go. Some nice temples down that way. It's like all the trash clearance right there connects. And you can walk down these rivers. I think down there. Nice. Hello, thank you. Thank you. It's a nice tree right there. Southien. The sun is starting to go down a little bit. That's pretty cool. Framed picture right there. Nice little space. So we're walking along a temple that's to the left. You can see it right there. Cool little alleys. I've walked down these alleys before, and they're quite amazing actually. It's a lot. It's like an ice shop. So this is all ice. Wow. All ice. That's gonna melt quick. I guess he has an ice machine in there, and they just make ice for all the stores. And those are all packed up, like they should be moving. I guess once they get to the next place. It's a pretty cool open little space in there. Bandai Dam Studio. Wow. All kinds of really cool stuff. If you look a little bit. Box packers. Bag packers, box packers. Huh. Buttercups. Pretty cool. Frame shot. We're going to end this video right here. 7-Eleven. Chiquinha.
งาม